Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to turn off Threads autoplay video. Unfortunately, the Threads app does not currently offer a built-in toggle to disable video autoplay. However, you can manage your data uses or stop videos from autoplaying by adjusting your device-wide settings and turning on your phone's data saver. The best method is to turn on your phone's data saver. What you can do is head over to your quick settings, tap on mobile data, and then head over to your quick settings, long press on mobile data to access mobile data settings, and then from here you can toggle data saver on. The other thing that you can do is head over to the Threads app on your device. Once you have opened the Threads app, what you can do is simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the two lines at the top right of your screen. Once you're here, what you can do is find your app and media. From here, what you can do is tap on your app and media, and then under media quality you can toggle on use less cellular data, which stops videos from autoplaying. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.